Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Gemini app. You will click on settings. So here we go to this first page. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.